Good morning. My name is Alison Brody. I am the operations manager here at Optimum Window Manufacturing. We are currently working with the cloudfront system because previously we didn't have a database that was allowing us to follow up on the procedures that we currently utilize. So previously we had some issues in regards to our system. We didn't have a system established for all the procedures that we were having across the company. Now, with the help of CloudFront, we were able to have an organized system where we can have access to everything from the beginning through our estimating department, through our engineering, and out into the shop floor. So we are able to now have in order in a summarized list of the jobs that we are currently getting, the jobs that we are currently processing, and the jobs that we're currently manufacturing. So all of these steps have been able to assist greatly to our company because now we can track, we can minimize the time that we were spending looking for a job, minimize the time of the production times, and now we have a system where we can follow up a specific timeline depending on everything that we have been manufacturing. So adding to our automation processes, we are very grateful that we were able to contact CloudFronts, that we can automate those processes because they have helped us tremendously with everything that our company process-wise does. And we want to thank you guys for all your assistance, and we definitely recommend you guys because having an app in your phone where you can check wherever you are the processes that you have, it's been very helpful for us, and to be able to find all that information with a quick search of a button in our phones is also been very helpful. So thank you.